You are getting leads, but 80% of them never convert. And the reason? Slow replies, no structure, and no proper system. Someone shows interest in your coaching programs, they message you, but before you respond properly, they lose interest or join someone else. But what if instead every lead got an instant replies, they were guided step by step and converted into a serious applicants automatically? So that's exactly what I have built using Pabbly Chatflow. See, as the owner of Coaching Institute, I send this highly converting coaching update templates to my students. It includes 3 quick buttons to by the name of View Courses, Book Demo Classes, and Talk to Counselor. Some may click on View Courses to explore available classes, some may choose Book Demo Class to take the next step, and others might select Talk to Counselor if they need direct guidance. And the moment they click any option, the chatbot takes over the conversation, automatically guiding them step by step to select the program. Let's say I am selecting the program as Pro Transformation. Then it starts asking my details. At first I am sending my full name as a smart user. Next it is asking for the contact number, so I send that too. After that I am sending the preferred start date as 21 May 2026. As it is visible that how intelligently the bot is asking me all my information. So I am giving reply of this too. Then you will see I have received one customized application received message from the bot that includes my name as a smart user, program type that I have clicked from the list as Pro Transformation, my phone number, and the starting date to and one message that is our team will review your details and contact you shortly to guide you further. If I click on this View Courses button, then you will see it shares me the details about their popular courses, and once I click on the Talk to Counselor button, then it sends me the contact details of the counselor. So yes, this is the exact automated WhatsApp chatbot we are going to build today by using Pabbly Chatflow, all-in-one WhatsApp automation tool that's help you to automate WhatsApp messages and responses 24/7 for your different type of businesses. But before we move ahead, I have something extremely valuable for you. If you also want to create this type of amazing templates for your own business or this type of chatbots, then go and purchase Pabbly tool by using my coupon code MEHYT and get an exclusive discount on both yearly and lifetime Pabbly plans. See, this is exclusively for my viewers, so grab it as soon as possible. Now without wasting any time, let's start building this chatbot step by step. At first, open a new tab and go for Pabbly, pabbly.com/chatflow. If you are new to Pabbly, then you will click on sign up free option and get 100 free credits every month to explore the software. If you are an existing user just like me, then click on the sign in option. After that you will see all Pabbly apps where you have to go in this Pabbly Chatflow by clicking on this access now button, and it will take you to the dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow. Now the first and the most important step is to add your WhatsApp number in your Pabbly Chatflow account. We have already created a separate detailed video of how you can add your WhatsApp number in your Pabbly Chatflow account. Check the description below for the video link. As we are creating a WhatsApp chatbot, so I am going in this flows feature. See, this is the Pabbly Chatflow flow builder page. Here you can create and manage static chatbots seamlessly using a no-code user-friendly drag and drop builder. As we are creating a new WhatsApp chatbot, so I will click on this plus add flow button. See, this is the starting point of your flow name as trigger, but before this, at first you have to give the name to your flow that what you are creating. Here I have given the name. After that, I'll give you a quick overview of these two options, messages and actions. Under these options you will see different buttons are there. We will use these buttons in the creation of our flow. Now let's get started. So for starting the creation of your flow, at first you have to select the trigger event. When you click on it, it will provide you multiple types of trigger events. I am creating this flow with the help of templates, so I am selecting my trigger event as template selected. Next I am clicking on this choose template button and selecting this Coaching Institute template. See, this is the template that I have already created before. For creating this, you have to go in this templates feature that are present in the left hand side menu. See, this is the page where you can create multiple types of templates for your different type of businesses. It is a predefined messages that were used for easy access and scale communication. For creating a new one, you have to click on this plus add template button. We have already created a separate detailed video of how you can create a template inside Pabbly Chatflow. Check the description below for the video link. See, I have already created some template before, and this is the template that we are going to use in this video. Now we will go back to our flow. Here I selected this template. Here, whenever the user will click on this view courses button, then my bot will share them the details about the courses. So for that, I am clicking on this text button and entering the information about all the types of courses that I am offering in this enter message box. Here I have added. After that, I am linking this circle which I present in front of view courses to this text button. Moving forward, the next button is book demo class. If my student will click on this book demo class, then my bot will reply to them by sending them this message along with one option in the form of list. So for setting up this, I am adding one list button from here, and you will see this list button is divided in three parts, named as header, body and footer, where at first you have to enter the header in this enter header box. Here I am not adding. Next you have to write the body of the message in this enter body box that I am entering as here are our coaching programs. After that, the footer I am entering as select a program to continue. Next I am clicking on this edge section button and entering a section title as course type. After that, for adding list of types of options, you have to click on this plus add items button 3 times. Here I am adding only 3 types of courses, but you can add more. The process of adding items in the list will be the same. Here I have added as one-to-one personal coaching, including its details in the center description box. Next one is group coaching. After that, the last one is pro transformation. I have entered all these details by my choice. You can customize it completely based on your own requirements. After that, I'm linking this circle which I present in front of book demo class to this node. Now, whenever the user will select the course type that they are interested in, then my bot will reply to them. But before that, I am going to do the setup of custom field tag. So for that, I'm clicking on this actions option and adding button as set custom field. After that, I'm selecting the contact custom field as course type, and in the center value box I'm going to write this because I set this contact custom field not specifically for this course type. For creating this contact custom field, you have to click on the settings option and go in this contact custom fields option. It is a user specific parameters for managing contact details like name, email, course type, contact number and many more. In simple terms, contact custom fields are used to send personalized message to each user. Here I set this contact custom field not specifically for this course type. Now I am going to do the setup of 2 more contact custom field not for each of these course types. Here I have added, as you can see, that I use the same contact custom fields in each of these nodes but only change the value completely based on the input that I have entered in this enter title box. You also have to make sure that the input you have entered in this enter title box is the same you have to write in this enter value box. At the end, this will help your bot to provide customized message to your users completely based on their selected choice. Now, whenever the user will select the course type that they are interested in, then my bot will reply to them by asking them to share their full name. So for that, I am adding one ask a question button from here and entering a message on this enter message box as great decision. Let's understand your goals so we can guide you better. What's your full name? For that, I am selecting the contact custom field as full name and the format as text, as name should always in the format of text. Next, the number of attempts. See, number of attempts is defined as how many times you give retry attempts to your user for answering this question. It also means that whenever the user will not reply to your bot in the correct format that you will select from this list. For example, here I have selected the format as text, but user will reply to the bot in the format of number. Then on those type of cases, we have to increase the number of attempts for our users so that they can re-attempt this question, means re-answer this question. But make sure that whenever we increase the number of attempts, we have to write the validation message on this enter message box. For this case, you can enter the validation message just like this, that please share your name in the correct format. Here I am giving the number of attempts as 0, so there is no requirement of any validation message. Now whenever the user will share their full name to my bot, then my bot will reply to them by asking them to share their contact number, preferred start date, and the challenge that they are facing. So for that I am again doing the same that I have done here, means I am adding 3 more questions in this flow. The process of adding questions in the flow will be the same. Here I added, where in this question box I ask my user to share their contact number. That's why I have selected the contact custom field as contact number and the format is number. You can also enter minimum and maximum values in both of these boxes if you want to. Moving forward, in this question node I ask my user to share the preferred start date. For that I have selected the contact custom field as date and the format as date. Lastly, in this question node I have entered the messages, what's your biggest challenge right now. For that I have selected the contact custom field as goal and the format as any. Now when all these communication will done, then at last my bot will provide one customized application receive message to my students that dynamically includes all their details that they were shared, just like this. So for setting up this type of message, I am adding one text button from here and entering a respond message on this enter message box. As again and again I am saying that I am designing this flow by my choice, but you can customize it completely based on your own business. The logic will be the same. Here I have entered the messages application received here with dollar symbol, full name, course type, date and contact numbers. As you can see that I have used a dollar symbol before some fields because it is a contact custom field symbol, and with the help of this symbol the bot will reply to my users dynamically completely based on their input. Here in this step, whenever the user will share their full name, then the bot will automatically captures the user's provided response and mention their name in this place. This is same for all the rest of these contact custom fields too. Moving forward, the next button is talk to counselor. When the user will click on this button, then my bot will share them the contact details of counselor. So for that I am clicking on the circle, dragging a line and selecting the content type as text button. Now I am entering the contact information of the counselor in this enter message box. Here I have added and our flow is completed. After the completion of your flow, you have to click on this button, save button, so that your flow will be saved and updated. If you face any difficulties or you have any queries while creating this flow, then feel free to ask us in the comment section. I have also shared the link of this flow in the description below. You can check it out. This automated WhatsApp chatbot will give instant replies to your users in real time like this. And now I am going to reveal one more powerful tool of Pabbly Chatflow, means this broadcast. See, with the help of this feature you can send this templates to hundreds or even thousands of your contacts by just one click. It is also an amazing tool. So if you want me to create a separate video of how you can broadcast this template to all of your students, then comment below. I will create a tutorial for that too. So what are you waiting for? Go and try this amazing automated WhatsApp chatbot for your own business too. Lastly, a quick reminder about the coupon code MEHYT. Don't forget it while purchasing the Pabbly subscription and grab an exclusive offer. So this is all for today. I'll see you in the next video.
So thank you for watching this video. Not only this, you can create multiple types of WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. If you have any doubts, then you can email us at sales@pabbly.com. If you want to know the price details about Pabbly Chatflow, then you can visit www.pabbly.com/chatflow #pricing. If you like this video, then please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe our YouTube channel.